taste. Baby, I'll do it for you. Our love is alive.